Good morning students. Today we are going to conduct experiment number 4, that is determination of phase and line quantities in three-phase delta connected loads. So the aim of the experiment is to determine the phase and line quantities in three-phase delta connected loads. Here if you see the circuit diagram, this is the circuit diagram to perform that determination of three-phase line and phase quantities in three-phase delta connected load. If you see here, these are the three phases like R phase, Y phase, B phase and neutral at the supply side. The supply is the three-phase AC supply and the voltage like 415 volts, 50 hertz is the input, and it is given to that this 415 volts is given as an input to that three-phase auto transformer. The rating of the three-phase auto transformer is 0 to 470 volts is the output and input is the 415 volts. And R phase where directly it is given to that one end of line current ammeter, another end of that line current ammeter it is given to that R1 terminal, and R1 terminal is connected to that three-phase resistive load, and R2 terminal is connected in series with Y1 of terminal, and Y2 terminal is connected to that phase current measurement ammeter to one of its terminal. Another terminal of this phase current ammeter is given to that B1, and BT is again connected to that R1. In case of delta connection, dissimilar ends has to be connected to form the delta connected loop, and this voltmeter is nothing but phase voltage measurement voltmeter which is connected across R1 and R2 terminals, and this is the line voltage measurement voltmeter which is connected across the two lines like R and Y line. And if you want to perform the experiment for this delta connected load, here we are going to measure that line voltage is equal to the phase voltages, but line currents are equal to root 3 times of phase currents, and phase currents are equal to 1 by root 3 times of the line currents. This is the following information what we are going to catch by conducting this experiment. Next, procedure. Connections are made as per the circuit diagram. We are going to vary the load for different steps, and we are going to note down the corresponding line voltage, phase voltage using voltmeter, also measure the line current and phase current using ammeters. And we are going to repeat this procedure for different steps as to verify the relation between line voltage and phase voltage, that is same, and the relation between line current, that is root 3 times of its phase current, and the relation between phase current to line current, that is 1 by root 3 times of the line current is equal to the phase current. As to note the measurement of this line voltage, phase voltage, line current, phase current and its relation, this is nothing but the tabular column where we are going to take in the values into count. To perform this experiment, let us look at the following video.
Good morning students. Today we are going to conduct an experiment on determination of phase and line quantities in three-phase delta connected load. Okay, to conduct this experiment, it required the following apparatus. 2 voltmeters are required whose rating like 0 to 300 volts, and 2 ammeters are required whose rating is like 0 to 2 amperes, and 1 three-phase auto transformer is required which is the rating of like 0 to 300 volts, and connecting load, a three-phase resistive load one is required. And to conduct this experiment, this is the following panel. As to verify that line voltages are equal to phase voltages and line currents are equal to root 3 times of the phase current in case of a delta connection. So before going to conduct this experiment, first of all we check the connections. For suppose if you see here, this is nothing but R, Y, B neutral terminals. R, Y, B neutral terminals of panel board supply. That is, here we are given to the input of three-phase auto transformer like R, Y, B, N. So let's check that the connection connective wires. So R is short circuited to R from panel board to auto transformer input. Y is short circuited between Y and Y from panel board to auto transformer input, and B is short circuited to B from panel board to auto transformer input, and neutral is short circuited to neutral terminal from panel board to three-phase auto transformer. From the output side of this three-phase auto transformer, if you see first of all, here this black wire from R terminal onwards it is tapped and it is given to line current ammeter has to measure the line current, and another wire from here it is given to here like R1 terminal. The next, to measure the line to line voltage, here there is a voltmeter as to measure the line to line voltage. So these two terminals is going to be connected across R and Y terminals of three phase auto transformer outputs. If you see here, this wire is connected to that R dash terminal, that is nothing but output of three phase auto transformer. Then another wire here, this wire, it is connected to the Y dash terminal of three phase output of auto transformer. Next, from Y dash terminal onwards, we have taken one wire and it is directly given to that Y1. Then again here from B dash terminals, again we have taken that one wire which is directly given to that B1. The next, if you see here, as to measure the phase current, here it is delta connection network. In case of delta connection network, dissimilar ends has to be connected. The dissimilar ends, if you see here, for suppose if you see here from R2 wire which is given to Y1, and again Y2 wire is given to measure the phase current here. Again another terminal of phase current ammeter is given to B1. So again B2 is connected to R1. So dissimilar ends has to be connected for delta connection. Next, in order to proceed this experiment, initially we keep this variac of auto transformer at 0 output voltage position. Next, the load of this three phase resistive load of 5 steps, all should be keep in off position. The next, now to conduct this experiment, initially here we are going to switch on the MCB. Once we switch on the MCB, so we given that supply from panel board to input of three phase auto transformer. Now the three phase auto transformer variac has been varies has to meet that required voltage, that is 230 volts, 415 volts in the line voltage. If you see here, both readings are showing the same readings, because in case of delta connection, line voltages are equal to phase voltages. Now I am going to vary the variac maximum of 400 volts. Okay, that 400 volts here we can get when we switch on this one of the load terminal. Once we switch on here, we can see that a voltage of like 196 volts, and current if you see here. So again, if you are going to change for second starting, here current is increasing like 1.15 amperes, it is the phase currents. And if you see that here line voltage, phase voltage 197, and line voltage is also nearby to the phase voltage like 197, it is around 200 volts. Then again for third tapping, if you increase that again the load, again if you see here the phase current is increases 1.72 amperes, but here the line voltages are equal to the phase voltages. So in case of delta connection, line voltages are equal to phase voltages, and the phase currents are equal to √3 times of 1/√3 times of line currents, and line currents are equal to √3 times of the phase currents. And again, to break this experiment, we have to switch off that each and every load in steps, and again we have to bring the current to 0 output voltage, 0 output current, and again we have to reduce that auto transformer voltage to 0. The auto transformer voltage can become to 0 position, and here the voltage is again 0, and we have to switch off the MCB. So finally here we conclude this experiment in this delta connected three-phase measurement of three-phase power measurement in case of delta connected circuit. Line voltages are equal to phase voltages, and line currents are equal to √3 times of phase currents, and phase currents are equal to 1/√3 times of line currents. Thank you.